line. Oh, they're going to go side by side.
Hey guys, it's Melly and I'm in Leipzig at Porsche for the Porsche Simracing Summit.
Definitely a form of motorsport. Our guys racing the ice are using sim racing for their preparation. I think it's a perfect opportunity for everybody. It doesn't matter which age, where he does come from, to get into motorsport.
I'm usually the guy driving real cars. I started sim racing at home half a year ago. Because at a certain point in modern racing, you have to do it. And as we can see in that event, it's not only practice, but you can also really race with those sim rigs.
Now he's in fourth and he's going through to tomorrow, but that Martini car is going to fight back. Jesus Cecilia pulls alongside, he's on the outside of Spoon, and that's just going to compromise that Golf car's line.
For us, it's very refreshing to come to an event where we have a partner that's really thrown everything they have at it. This is by far one of the best events that, as a company, iRacing has ever been to and been a part of. So I'm very excited about how the event has gone so far.
You can see how big esports is in general with other games, and without a doubt, sim racing is on the rise.
Sim racing's changed. I mean, we started nearly 20 years ago. And to think we've been going this long is unbelievable, and it's great that Porsche have taken a keen interest and want to move the genre forward.
They're still side by side.
Oh, this is incredible.
Amazing, absolutely fantastic stuff. There is an overlap. Oh, that is horribly defensive from Nick Tandy, and just getting out of it.
I came here this morning and played around with the GT3 RS out on the track, and then drove the RSR inside in the warm. So it's been a really good day, a really good event. I hope that it builds from here, and that Porsche can be a pioneer in this side of the sport.
I like the way that it's brought together the sim racing community, the sim racing, and watch the athletes prepare and race.
The Porsche has been performing awesome on track and then also on the skid pad here, getting it loose, just completely sideways, drifting, having a good time.
Obviously, to have the experience of driving on track and then to have the work groups really focuses your mind around what it is that we're talking about.
Bennett brings the Red Bull car to the line, and he takes victory of the race and of the Sim Racing Summit here.
We need big partners like Porsche involved, where they're bringing their expertise and resources in racing and event management and just understanding how the racing world works. We need partners like that to step in and bring their impressions and bring the people that are influential in other circles of motorsport to gain awareness about what sim racing is and fully understand that these drivers are really unique.